Welcome you to this tutorial video. In this video, I'll be taking you through converting negative 42 base 10 to binary. So we are going to be following these steps provided. So the first step says we should start with the positive binary representation of 42. But before we proceed with that, let's take note that originally 42 is supposed to give us a 6-bit binary number. But because we are dealing with a signed number which is negative 42 base 10, our result is going to be an 8-bit binary number. So 42 base 10 is going to give us an 8-bit number which is 00101010 base 2. So the next step says that to get the binary representation of negative 42, so which is the main essence of this tutorial video. And how do we get the binary representation of negative 42? By using the 2's complement. So how do we achieve the 2's complement? We have to get the 1's complement of the positive binary representation of 42. That is, we have to have the 1's complement of this particular number here. And how do we achieve the 1's complement? By inverting all bits, that is, change zeros to ones and vice versa. So let's find the 1's complement of this number. So wherever we have 0, we change to 1. So this is 0, this will become 1, this will become 1, this will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Base 2. So this is our 1's complement. So the next step says that add 1 to the inverted binary. So we are going to add 1 to the inverted binary. So we are going to simply add 1 here. So we add 1. So 1 plus 1 is going to give us 10. So we have 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is 1. This will become 1. This is 0, 1. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. So remember, here we add 1. And here is our result, which is the 2's complement. So, therefore, negative 42 base 10 is equivalent to 11010110 base 2. So we've come to the end of this tutorial video. Ensure you give it a thumbs up, drop your comment and questions where necessary. See you in my next video.